Okay, here's another 100 Series Land Cruiser that we've just finished this week, finished supercharging in. The 100 Series is definitely our best ever selling model, and we're still doing lots of them because customers really enjoy the results. Over 60% increase in power and torque, which is huge and makes these cars terrific for towing. Now let me show you why our bullet supercharger system is so popular and why it works so well. Here's the bullet intake manifold. We designed this many years ago. It's easy to design a manifold that's just going to join a supercharger to an engine. But the secret to this manifold is the actual design of the inlet ports. And these inlet ports actually act like a ram tube. And that's why this manifold makes so much power at relatively low burst. So inside that manifold, it's got a pull intercooler as well. So it makes very integrated, very compact and really efficient. So naturally, all our intercoolers are Australian made, high quality by Adrad. They've been doing our stuff for the last 20 years. So if you want to get real power out of your 100 Series, get a bullet supercharger system.